Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. This video came highly requested on how to make your lip pigments show up on your lips. So this is what I'm doing, and I'm just doing a sample of the Nude Lip Gloss. This is just a sample. I didn't want to waste too much lip gloss because I just made this lip gloss for myself. So yeah, I won't be using the same thing I use as my Paradise lip gloss, but I'll be showing you guys the exact pigments you can use if you want to make the brown nude lip gloss. So I'm just using a teaspoon of coconut oil and a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. If you don't know, these are the main oils you can use in your lip gloss. If that's the only oils you want to use, that's perfectly fine. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing that. This is just something that I came up with while making lip gloss. I'm not no professional or anything, but I realized that the thicker your lip gloss is, the more pigmented your lip gloss will come out on your lips, as well as the amount of pigment you put. So if you put enough pigment, then it will show up on your lip, and depends on how thick the lip gloss is. If your lip gloss is too runny and too liquidy, it will not work, guys. So I'm just going to be using this liquid pigment from TKB Trading. It's chocolate, and it is the half-ounce bottle, I believe, as well as the white pigment. And this one is the half-ounce as well. So I use 1 drop of the brown and 2 drops of the white. Now I'm just mixing that together. Keep in mind that you do have to add your preservative oil as well as your flavoring oil, so be mindful of the amount of oils that you use in your lip gloss. I didn't like how light it was, so I ended up adding another drop of the brown pigment and mixing that together again. And then I just kept on adding more brown pigment because I did add too much white. I usually just add 1 drop of white, and if it is not enough, then you add some more. But I didn't do that in this video for some reason. So yeah, I'm just going to keep adding the brown and mixing until I like how it looks. So this is the consistency I came up with without the other oils, as well as without the flavoring oil, the preservative oil, whatever oils that you use. And now I'm just going to show you guys how it looks on my lip with a lip liner. I usually use a lip liner, so I usually wear a brown lip liner with my new lip gloss because I just love how it looks. I mean, it just looks amazing to me. I don't know about nobody else, but yeah, that's how I like wearing it. This is what the lip gloss looks like up close. So now I'm just going to apply it to my lip. I did apply too much, so I ended up wiping it off with a piece of paper towel. Excuse all my blemishes. I was just doing this so you guys can see how it looks on your lips. And I wasn't liking the color too much because it was a bit too light. So I'm going to go back in and add some more brown, and you guys will see how that looks. This is how it looks without the lip liner. So it looks fine for some people, it might, but not to me. So I added some more brown pigment. I added 4 drops, and then I mixed it again. So this color was alright looking. I still didn't like it, but for the sake of the video, I didn't want it to be too long. So I'm just gonna apply that to my lips and show you guys the difference. This color actually looks better than the first one that I did. If you want to go back and go look, this one is a little darker and it actually looks better to me. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.